أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
يا أيها النبي حرض المؤمنين على القتال إن يكن منكم 20 صابرون يغلبوا 200 وإن يكن منكم 100 يغلبوا 1000 من الذين كفروا بأنهم قوم لا يفقهون.
O Prophet, rouse the believers to battle. If there are 20 steadfast among you, they will defeat 200, and if there are 100 of you, they will defeat 1,000 of those who disbelieve, because they are a people who do not understand.
الآن خفف الله عنكم وعلم أن فيكم ضعفا فإن يكن منكم 100 صابرة يغلبوا 200 وإن يكن منكم 1000 يغلبوا 2000 بإذن الله والله مع الصابرين.
Allah has now lightened your burden, knowing that there is weakness in you. If there are 100 steadfast among you, they will defeat 200, and if there are 1,000 of you, they will defeat 2,000 by Allah's leave. Allah is with the steadfast.